classmates and mister. My name is Eunice Centeno and it's a pleasure for me to talk about the best major in Zamorano from the four careers that we're known and are familiar with. In my personal opinion, agronomic engineer is the best major of all. Indeed, my opinion is based in my experience lived during those 2 years in Zamorano and in the area where I want to specialize after graduating from the university. I chose agronomic engineer because one of my biggest passions are animals. Certainly, before coming to Zamorano, I was studying veterinary medicine in a university in El Salvador. So, working with animals is absolutely the area for which I was born. I know that being part of this career, in spite that it is focused in a major percent in crops or plants, I will learn a lot of animal reproduction, production, and care, creating a knowledge platform that will help me in my professional development. On the other hand, what makes agronomic engineer, the best major in Zamorano, is that it has a bunch of different areas in which we can specialize after graduated from the university. These areas goes from working in fields, working with animals, tissue culture, vegetal and animal biotechnology, biological control, plant health, plant propagation, and soil conservation, and more interesting areas that we can choose. As we can see, being an agronomist is not just being under the sun every day, working hardly. It goes further because it involves to know how animals, how plants, how natures act, and know how to respond to this behavior. In comparison with other major careers in Zamorano, in most of the cases, the activities from these careers are regulated by guidelines or protocols, such as protocols of working in a laboratory in agri-food industry, protocols of environmental regulation in environmental engineering, or the application of laws in agribusiness. On the contrary, with agronomic engineer, that we as agronomists do not have a guidance or protocols of how to realize an activity in the field. We have to adhere of how does the nature works and to understand its necessities. However, agronomists have studied the physiology and the reproductions of plant and animals and have established its major needs in order to obtain a higher productions and to help agronomists to reduce cost and to be efficient with the use of resources. Nevertheless, these needs can change depending on the area and the climate where the crop is located. So for this reason, there is nothing written in stone of how to be a good and efficient agronomist. Another reason is that one of the most important needs for humans is food, and the only ones capable of satisfying these needs are agronomists. I strongly believe that agronomists have in their hands the major responsibility in the world because without them, there will not be enough food to supply the entire population. Furthermore, many people believe that being an agronomist is an easy job. Just planting the seed, watering, and wait until the plant has reached its maturity to be harvested. Honestly, I was one of that kind of people before Zamorano. But now I realize the whole science behind plant and animal production. What opened my mind is that agronomists have to know the specific needs of the crops. How much water does it need? How much fertilizer does the plant need and apply them correctly in every stage of the plant cycle? However, as time passed, scientists working in this area have developed different techniques to help agronomists in their work. such as producing synthetic seeds resistant to diseases, viruses, or drought, new irrigation systems in order to use efficiently the water, new machinery for preparing the soil, reducing the level of soil erosion, and all these new methods are summarized in a phrase called precision agriculture. So in conclusion, agronomic engineer is the best major in Zamorano due to different areas that it has in which we can specialize after graduating from Zamorano. Also that the daily work in fields we can learn from nature and how to obtain the best from it. And finally, we have in our hand efficient ways to produce food in order to supply the world food demand. Hope you like my video. Thank you.